Hi, I'm Laura. I'm the founder and director of Psychic Horizons, a school for meditation and healing. We're located in San Francisco, although everything we're doing right now is on Zoom. We have classes for meditation and healing. We have healing clinics. We have readings, all kinds of things. We have graduate classes. We've been around for 43 years. And look at all the people, some of the people who've been in our school for over the years. There's hundreds and thousands actually of people who've come through Psychic Horizons over the years. And you can see some of the pictures here, all over, all different backgrounds and from all over the world now because we're on Zoom. So we have students here from Europe and from the Middle East, from Asia, and of course the United States. And it's a great place to be and to learn how to be in charge of your space, to own who you are, and to be conscious in your life. So come join us. We have a free introductory meditation class every Tuesday night. You can join these people who've been around for all these years, and you can tell we have a great time here.